Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks Monday, November. God, what the hell's wrong with me the last couple days there? November the 2nd, we are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 58 remaining box and numbers. 61 was what we got. We did random team sales on your left. Teams customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We always give everybody a couple minutes to trade. I had one trade go down, Giants for Pittsburgh. All right, Pat, I'm not seeing anything from Jason there, bud. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. We're going to do our reveal. Well, gorgeous helmet, guys. Bam! Going to be a Vikings hit with the John Randle. Worst comes to worst, guys. You could probably take that off if you wanted because the helmet is gorgeous. She is a Hydro, but she's a great looking helmet, man. JSA certification and card on it. Going to be a John Randle Hydro F7. And yes, she is an authentic, of course, there, folks. Beautiful Randle for Minnesota. All the way down the bottom. Wow, well, that's going to be a Steve hit there, guys. Steve going to take our John Randle Hydro F7. Whoops. Well, Steve was buying up a ton of slots yesterday and had a bunch in the first break. Didn't hit on any of those. Hits on the friggin' freebie spot there. Bam. Steve, if you're interested, he hasn't really been around. He was on the board from last night, but Steve, if you are around, if you want to swap a Ray Lewis for Randle, I am him as well there, G. But Steve, if you want to swap the Ray Lewis for the Randle, let me know. And I am right after I do my random here. We got a 5. This is for the Allen qualifier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. 5 times. I got G and Hawk. Going to be the Allen qualifiers, guys. 33, 34 on the qualifiers. We have 57 boxes left in the series. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.